What's going on, everybody? Alex Escobar here with an exciting video. Shout out to the people over at Xtra for sending me this. I appreciate you. This camera I've been looking forward to getting for a long time. Like I said, shout out to the people over at Xtra for sending me this. This is the Xtra Atto. Pretty much the Xtra family, they doing their thing. If you're not down with it, get you one. Go get you one. I just want to get right into the unboxing. I'm hyped to see what this thing is about. Let's get our trusty knife. Open this guy up. Boom. Nice quick unboxing. Xtra Atto. I'm looking forward to using this little guy for my bike rides, my adventures. Oh man, can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. Pull this out real quick. Boom, nice sleeve, nice box. Let's get it, let's get it. First thing we have here looks like the suction cup. Yeah, it's a suction cup. I'll take out all the accessories so you can check them out. Nice little suction cup. Works with the old cameras. Nice to go. Boom, put that there. This is what I'm more like, the main thing I'm excited for right here. It's the little things. It's the little things. This stuff right here. The hat clip. The hat clip. This is gonna be game changing, bro. And you could tilt it. Pretty fire. Hat clip there. Put that to the side. We're getting to the juicy stuff. We're getting to the juicy stuff. Protective cover for the camera. What else is this? I know. Ooh, which one should we do first? Wait. There's still some more stuff in here. Oh, wait. Yeah, we still got some more stuff in here. Damn, they really loaded up this box. They really loaded up this box. I just want to get the boring stuff out the way first. It's only right to get the boring stuff out first. Here we go. Magnetic pendant. This is gonna be so clutch. Super clutch. Lanyard. Boom. Put that to the side. Just gonna open it. Charging cable, nice and thick. Very thick cable. Very thick USB-C cable. Look at how tiny it is. Do you see that? Xtra. Oh my God. Let's do this on camera properly. Oh, look at how nice that lens is. That is so nice. This is gonna be so cool to shoot on, man. Oh, looking forward to it. All right, so that's the camera. Boom. This is the display. Boom. And what I like about this the most, it just clips on. Oh, wrong side, excuse me. It just clips on just like that, and you're good to go. Oh my God, yo, this thing is so fire, bro. This is very nice. Xtra. I'm really digging this. This is fire. I just love the fact that you can detach this. Well, let's get into one big reason why I love it. You see the size of that display? This is gonna be so fire for vlogging, because not only can you see yourself, but you got a nice big screen to see yourself in. Not saying it was a bad thing to see it on here, but look at the size difference. Look at the size difference. Let me turn this on. Look at that size difference. You understand what I'm saying? The fact that I can see more real estate on my screen now when vlogging, I think this might be the perfect vlogging camera. And now that they added mic support for mics like the one I'm using right now, bruh, they're changing the game. Get in now while you still can. They have a crazy sale on this right now. Links down below. I think they got this for like $300 right now for the 128 gigabytes. There's 128 gigabytes in this right now. Not even the Nano has that. I mean, they have it, but it's not at that price. The quality that's coming out this thing is insane. I will do a review on that. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Xtra. This is the future right now. Anyway, with that being said, if you like these kind of videos, rate, comment, subscribe. A big shout out again to Xtra for sending this out to me. Again, if you want to see that review, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you on the next one. Xtra. Peace.